In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with Reddit, and the strategy that I am going to show you in this video, you can use it to make money with CPA marketing, or you can use it to make money with ClickBank or any other affiliate network of your choice. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's crack on. If you look at this post right here, you can see it got almost 900 upvotes and almost 100 comments on this post, and you can see it was made 3 days ago. So I am going to show you how to do this step by step. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go on to reddit.com. okay, you want to create an account. It's very easy. You can create an account with your email or I think Facebook as well. All right, so it's fairly simple creating an account on Reddit. So once you have an account created, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to the search bar and type in on, just as you can see right here. Okay, the subreddit I just showed you. As you can see right here, you can see this subreddit has almost 30 million members. As you can see right here, almost 10,000 people are currently online while I am recording this video. So I am going to show you how to promote on this subreddit without getting banned or without getting your links deleted. All right, and also you can use this strategy to promote on any subreddit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the rules section. All right, it's very important you do this for any subreddit that you want to promote on. So once you come to the rules section, you want to scroll down to this section that it says approved site. You can see post must link to our site, to site on our approved list. All right, which means if you want to submit anything, any image or any link to this subreddit, these are the only website that they allow links from. Any link outside these ones right here, they won't approve that post. So basically, I am going to show you a strategy that you can use to drive traffic to your CPA offers or content locker or affiliate offers. All right, so just like the first example that I showed you, the post was linking to an Imgur image. So basically, how do you do this? The first thing you want to do right here, as you can see, this subreddit is about animals. If you can look at it right here, so basically it's a subreddit about animals, as you can see right here in this banner. So what you want to do is you want to go onto website like Twitter. So if you come to Twitter and type in cats right here, you are going to see a lot of images about cats. If people are engaging with these images on Twitter, definitely people are also going to engage with them on Reddit as well. All right, so if we go back to the home, okay, as you can see right here, you can see these are posts. You can see this one got over 4,000 upvotes on it. So if I come to the news section, you can see this post was posted 2 minutes ago. You can see before you realize, a lot of people will start engaging with it. You can see this one has 1 comment already. So a lot of posts are being posted every minute on this subreddit, and if the post is engaging enough, the post will be promoted to this hot section. So that is why you want to look for posts that are doing well on other social platforms. Then you want to post the same post on Reddit. All right, as you can see here, this is a similar post to the one on this Twitter. You can see this is actually the exact image on this Twitter right here. You can see right here the exact image. You can see it got over 24,000 likes on it on Twitter. And if you come to Reddit here, you can see it got the same, almost the same amount of engagement on Reddit as well. And you can see it was posted just 8 hours ago. All right, so basically you want to do the same. You want to come to Twitter, you want to look for images that are performing well on Twitter. As you can see these ones right here, if they are getting a lot of engagement on Twitter, then they will absolutely get engagement on Reddit as well. All right, so now you may be asking, how do you get traffic from this? Also, as you can see right here, you can see links right here. You can see this link has over 100 upvotes on it. You can see right here that the only link they approve, you can see Reddit uploads. So that is where this link is from. So you can see this link right here. So these are the links. Reddit is among the list they approve, of course. So you can see right here, these are the links that they approve. So instead of uploading this image directly to Reddit, what you want to do it in a smarter way. You want to create a Twitter account. Okay, you want to create a Twitter account and you want to repost these images to your Twitter account. I can't stress the fact that you want to make your Twitter account look as professional as possible, because this is going to dramatically affect your conversion or your sales. All right, so you can see this one right here. It has a photo of a real person on it. As you can see here, you can see the followers right here. You can see the account right here. You want to have a photo of a real person on it. If you don't want to use your image, you can go to a website, thispersondoesnotexist.com, and you can grab one of the images and put it on your Twitter profile. You want to make sure it looks like a real person account. So after you've uploaded the image on your Twitter account, what you are going to do is grab the link to that tweet and you want to submit it to this subreddit. Okay, if you come to this create post right here, so once you create post, you are just basically going to you come to this link section and you are going to give it a title and drop your Twitter link. So now you may be wondering, how do you make money off doing this strategy? It's simple. What you are going to do after you've posted your link, you want to wait a while for your link to be approved by the moderators. So what you are going to do after uploading the tweet, all right, you are going to use a different account to come to the comment section of your tweet. You are going to leave a captivating reply with a link to your CPA offer. If you are doing this for CAT, then you want to promote CAT CPA offer, or you want to promote CAT product. If you are doing ClickBank, all right, so you want to go to the animal section and you want to promote products that are related to cats. Okay, so the same thing. If you don't want to use ClickBank, you can use CPA content locker. You can create content locker that is related to cat and you can leave the link in the comments of the post. Okay, so that is a smart way that you can do it and start getting traffic to your affiliate link for absolutely free. All right, so maybe I may make a more step-by-step video on this strategy. Basically, that is how you do this from scratch to finish. All right, so basically you don't have to use Twitter alone. As you can see right here, they also support YouTube as well. So you can do the same strategy and upload the video to YouTube, and you can go to the comment section and leave a link to your CPA offer with another account. All right, because if you use your account to leave a link in the description, they will not approve that post. So that is how you can do it and start driving free targeted traffic to your affiliate or CPA offers. All right, so if you find any value in this video, please smash a like button, drop a comment below if you have any question, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.